In this video, you'll learn how to nail on joist hangers. Now, what you want to do when working off of scaffold to start is always make sure that you have all the tools and equipment that you're going to need before coming up the scaffold. This saves time from going up and down the scaffold too many times to either grab a hanger, grab some nails, or of course grab any other material that you're going to need. So what I'd suggest first is checking the layout, count the marks with the X, and how many you're going to need. That'll determine how many hangers you're going to need. If you're still unsure, check with your supervisor or foreman the appropriate size of hangers that you're going to need for the joist and how many hangers you're going to need. As well, you can always check these marks with the X beside it. The X determines which side the joist is going to sit on. So always make sure that you have your hanger set with the opening where that X is, because that's where the joist will be sitting. Again, if you're unsure, you can always ask your supervisor or foreman to clarify that for you, especially if there's no X there. Then you can always ask him for some help. So, we have our safety glasses. Make sure they're on. Earplugs, gloves, nails. We have our hangers. You also don't want too many things up here. For that reason is just as you're working, you don't want to be tripping over stuff. So try and keep everything organized or throw the one side of the scaffolding and then work towards that pile of hardware or nails that you need. So for the purpose of this video, we'll just do the hanger in the center just to start. Typically, I would want to start on the one end, work my way this way, and of course, the scaffolding isn't large enough, so I'll have to go back down, slide the scaffold over to finish those last 2 or 3 hangers. These tabs need to be, they help hook the hanger on to the top. So here, you want to make sure that the hanger is just in line with this line, and you can nail. Put one nail in the top, make sure that it's still lined up perfectly, make sure it's flush with the bottom, put one nail in the bottom. Next, you want to measure the bottom distance and make sure it's the same at the top. It's good. And now you can nail the hanger off.